Today we are going to start with components in Bootstrap. This is like a drop-down menu item. For this, just will use one button, and here we have list of items which needs to be displayed as a child items for that parent. For this, just we declare one class drop-down menu, and here data toggle is drop-down. ID is drop-down menu 1. Area labeled by this area labeled by, and this ID will control this. The button ID will be provided as area labeled by for that list. Here you can see toggle. Role separator, button groups. Instead of radio buttons, we can use this single selection. Role is group, class button group, that's it. Just if you use these two, class and role, this is for pagination. I think all are like same thing, just you need to copy paste the code to use them. Or else I'll show one thing. This is Bootstrap online. I want to design a web page with header, menu item, and the body and the footer. That's what I think. Now we'll take one template from yeah. I want to design in Bootstrap this template, okay, as it is. For this, first we need to declare what we need here. On the top, we have one small strip. After that, one header with left side logo, right side the menu and search icon. Below that, we have slider, and here we have three features, right? Now we'll see. Right? If you see this, here almost 80% this strip is occupied. Right side thing, we have some menu items, right? For that, we have column MD. Yesterday we discussed, right? Columns, 12 columns browser will be divided into. For that, just we need to have one div with class row. Means this row class will define one row in the web page. Now see, I need 1, 2, 3, 4 rows in the browser, right? For that, just copy paste 4 rows. 4 rows, right? Inside that, just declare another div with the class column empty 12. Means this div will be 100% in the browser, right? First, we need to declare one row inside that 12 columns. Now, for the first section, we need call MD8, right? In 12, I am dividing into two parts. One is 8, one is 4. Right? This one is 4. Total 12. This is 8. Now see. Right? Here you can see 8, 4. It's divided into two parts. Now, two parts, and here we are seeing another this header with almost half, right? 6 and 6, or else we can take 5 and 7, two parts. Let's try. The same, I'm copy pasting. Same divs. This is 5, 7. Right? We have 5 and 7. Okay. Now, we need this label inside that, right? I'm writing one CSS file for that, because if you want to write a template, you need some CSS to adjust. I'm taking one P tag. Inside that, we have like contact, Azan, so number, see the output by something we are getting. And right side we have login, English, and the cost something, right? Go to Bootstrap, just to go to nav bar, right? This is default nav bar. This we can use for second. Here we can use, or we can use for both. Right, on the top we have contact something, and right side also we need some CSS, or else we can take this directly. Right, here we need that. Just remove these links and use these links. Here active UL link drop down. Here you can see now our right is a class 2 align, the navigation at right side. This is left side one button, the links and all. Just remove them. You can see only right side one, right? This brand is like logo. Here if you want you can home features, images, pages. Here we don't need this drop down. This can be removed. Right? Or you can see different links. Slider, you can take slider from maybe alerts. JavaScript, carousel. In Bootstrap, we'll call it as carousel. Just take this div. because we don't have any images, that's what. In copy pasting sliders, and the first one should have active. If we use 100% with like the image is 100%, then we'll see 100% width for that. You see full slider, right? And now we have these three things. Features. Now, like in this row, we have three parts, 1, 2, 3, right? 12 divided by 3 is 4. Like each div contains 4 columns. Here I'm making 4, 4, 4. Right? Here we can see 4, 4, 4. Here see, if you want to use icon, just use this syntax like span class, and here we need to replace this text with the related icon on the top. Here you can see the name, right? This name should be replaced with that. this search icon, right? I think after menu also we need search. Get search icon, right? And here also we are able to see search icon, but here we need like icon with some text. Passage, right? Just I'm taking this content. Right, icon with this is okay, but this has to be center line for the text align center. That's it. And I'm going to increase the size of this. Second. See, for icon we need to use font size to increase. So we need to apply these two styles for that division or div tag. Just for now I'm applying directly inline style. Font size, and for this text align center. Right? You can see the three parts divided. And if you want, we can like provide some margin tabs. This is one row, right? For this, just add one style. We get some space between these two. Any doubts? Just you need to use the component inside this. Copy and paste and use. A small version or requirement, just we need to adjust. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Just we need to divide into different parts. Now you see the responsiveness automatically coming, right? I haven't written any CSS for to get the responsiveness, right? If I use this navbar, Bootstrap default navbar, I'll get this automatically, this icon. Don't try to write own custom menu bars and all. Just if you write, if you use this, just you can see, right? I haven't written anything for responsiveness, automatically turns into responsiveness because I used column MD or grid layout for this one. That's what we need to, like, we use mostly the Bootstrap. Now, another thing, when you are starting with some project with Bootstrap, I'll also just go to Google and try to get like Bootstrap responsive templates. Then you will see a lot of things. You can choose any one of them and just download and use it. Now see, this is one different type. See the demo. Same thing generally for project we need Bootstrap website design admin templates. This is entirely using Bootstrap. See, this entire site designed in Bootstrap only. If you want, you can see, I can show you in Inspect. They'll use only rows and columns to design this. Just see here, column MD, SM, they declared all of them. Row title count. Here you can see the row, right? Row class. Inside the row class only we need to provide the columns. That's what I also taken the row, right? This is one row. Here you can see this is another row. Inside this, if you want, you can see, right? Columns. 12 columns. Inside that, we have 9, 3. It's total 12. This is another row. Just first we need to decide how many parts we are going to divide the web page. Like first we need to use this row class for all the divs. And inside that just use these columns to divide into different parts. That's it. That will Bootstrap will take care for responsiveness. Clear, right? In any website, just we need to follow that structure to divide into multiple rows. We need to use row class. Inside that, we need to if you want to divide multiple columns, just use column mdr access excel the Bootstrap classes directly. Clear, right? Any doubts?
No, sir.
See, this is responsive. And now, this is currently I'm working on project. Lock screen. This is login page. But this code I cannot show because this is related to AngularJS. When we start with Angular, I'll show this real-time project, like how that is communicating with the server and APIs. Just if you want to start with Bootstrap, just go to Google and download some templates and just start with that. That's better to start like the responsiveness. You won't lose. If you have any questions, we can stopping recording.